Coopery, the art of making barrels, is probably one of the most complex types of woodworking there is. But with Woodwork 101, I got to try something simpler because this table is made a lot like that. Now the staves aren't tapered, but these pieces of oak have all been angled cut so that they fit together exactly right. Well, he shows you how to do that in Woodwork 101 in the video for this, and that's applicable in so many different types of projects. So what's this Woodwork 101 I'm talking about? It's a library of videos put together by an experienced woodworker showing how to do projects and learning skills really by watching him do it and explain how it's done. He goes through all the details, the tools you need, the materials you need, so you can make a bunch of great projects. Oh, and by the way, he's adding to the library 10 new videos every month, so it's not like it's going to run out real quick on you. You can just keep learning more and more like I am. I think it's a valuable tool, just as valuable as any other tools in my workshop, actually, teaching me new skills that I can apply to make great projects.